In this video, we're going to learn two decreases that are done on the purl side of the garment. Purl two together and slip slip purl. Purl two together is a right leaning decrease and slip slip purl is a left leaning decrease. Keep in mind that as you're knitting them on the purl side, they will appear to be the opposite. So when you're knitting purl two together, it will look as if it's leaning to the left, but once you flip the garment, it will lean to the right.
And same applies to slip slip purl.
When you're doing it on the purl side, it will look as if it's leaning to the right, but once you flip the garment onto the right side, it will lean to the left. So we're facing the wrong side of the garment and we are going to start with a right leaning decrease, which is knit two purl stitches together. So let's just start by purling one stitch, and now we're going to do purl two together. So we're working with two stitches. Insert the needle as if to purl and purl the two stitches together. Okay, so now we are going to do purl stitches until we have 3 stitches left in this row. We will now do slip slip purl. So the yarn is in front. We're slipping going knitwise. So slip 2 stitches one after another knitwise. Then insert the left needle through both of them. Watch the direction in which I'm doing it. Insert the right needle as if to purl and purl. And we finish the row by doing a single purl stitch. So let's see what we have here. We are going to just do a knit row. And we'll do the demonstration one more time. We start the row by doing a single purl stitch. And now we're going to do purl 2 stitches together. Working with 2 stitches, insert the needle as if to purl, wrap the yarn around, and purl 2 stitches together. We're now going to purl until we have 3 stitches remaining in this row. Working with 2 stitches, slip the stitches one by one as if to knit, so knitwise. Then take the left needle and insert through both stitches. Then take the right needle and purl these 2 stitches together. Just a normal purl stitch. And finish the row with a single purl stitch. And let's see what we have. You can definitely see a much more pronounced decrease on each side. So the slip slip purl is leaning to the left and purl 2 stitches together is leaning to the right. And we'll do a knit row, and we'll see the demonstration one more time. We'll start the row with a single purl stitch. Make sure the yarn is in front. Do a purl stitch. And now we'll do purl 2 stitches together. So insert the needle as if to purl, wrap the yarn, and purl 2 stitches together. Then let's keep doing purl stitches until there's 3 stitches left in this row. 3 stitches left. We are going to do slip slip purl, working with 2 stitches. We slip them knitwise, one at a time. Then we take the left needle and we're inserting it through both of those stitches like so. Take the right needle and insert through both stitches as if to purl, and purl them together. And finish the row with a single purl stitch. So you can clearly see very nice, very clean decreases on each side. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.